How to open AVIF files. That's a still image. Let's right click on it, open with, and open it with photos. The AV1 video extension is required to display this file, so download and install it now. Click on that one. The Microsoft Store is opening. AV1 video extension, click on the Get button. Preparing to download 1.8 megabyte. AV1 video extension just got installed. Close this window, close photos. It doesn't have a thumbnail yet, but if I double click on it, it is opening and it is visible. If I try to open it with another program, let's say Fastun Image Viewer, that one also opens it. Open with Microsoft's Paint, and that is also able to open it. If you don't want that extension, you can right click on the Start menu, Installed Apps, and AV1 video extension is here, and you can uninstall it if you want.